Good day, guys. So today's a Monday, and the weather is very good. Init siya. But the thing is, it's nice to have a bit of sun here. Unlike the Philippines, ang maski na yung sun sa nga rito now. So you go out, you think it's very sunny, init kayo, hayag kita around video. But the thing is, it's really cold. So today is not that day. Today's just okay ang sun, and it's nice to be here. So that's why I decided to come out here. I don't usually hang out here kay lagi tugnaw if you need a heater mura siya nana ba. But right now the weather is good and I'm relaxing. Again, today's Monday. I had a long weekend of shooting, so nag-shoot ko for Love Another twice, nag-shoot ko for Marlon, a bit of this and that, and edit some stuff also kay nasa ko ang mga shoot. Anyway, it's a nice day to celebrate today, but napakoy malakto nun later, so I'm just having coffee here, checking some YouTube videos, oat latte, and enjoying the rest of my day. Enjoying the rest of my day. Kadang I don't script my vlogs. I just wing it. I just film and just talk to myself, just like a diary for myself. So muna siya. Anything goes for today. So kuan sad bay, nakasama mo karon ba kay kadang si Trump nakigira sa Iran, and it's been days, 3 weeks, 1 month nga naggira niya, wala hindi siya kuman sa gira, and it's really bad. And ang gasolina mahal kayo. So gasolina is like 150 like a month ago, and karon $2.69. To give you context, today's the 30th of March, padung na April. So the 30th of March, and gasolina is so expensive. I was planning to travel on my birthday sa April, but man, gasolina is so expensive. I hope it goes down. I hope everything's gonna go down. But anyway, fucking Trump. Anyway, wala siya. Kadang, mag-enjoy lang sa kusong kape. And a bit of YouTube, dopamine. And also, yes, I remembered, whole month of April, just because of the lack of oil kay gilak sa era ng Point Hormuz, hindi kagawas ang mga gasolina from there. So the whole month of April free ang ang transportation, ang trains diri sa Victoria. I don't know sa ibang states, but here sa Victoria free ang trains. So I'm gonna try to vlog, go around some places and try to vlog, and just pack my camera, a small bag or whatever. Travel vlog. I'll ride the V-line padung sa regional and see how I go. That's a plan. I hope I can do it. Anyway, inom sa tag kape. Kape. I'm just gonna drink coffee now and enjoy the rest of the day. You enjoy the rest of your day also, guys. So murag nakadawat ko booking karon. I'm just gonna check my phone, whatever, and good days. So nadawat na akong message. I just checked with Mark asking me to shoot a wedding this coming Thursday, Holy Week. But the thing is, kanang book na ko kang Claudine and Column doing photos on that day. So see ya. Dami ang coffee. So humana ko ginom sa akong kape. Been up here in the sun. Weather's very good, but it's time to work. I'm gonna go downstairs. Impake ko sa akong mga gears because it's all over the place. I'm gonna clean them also. So okay na. So sa akong ingon mo niya ako tong i-organize kanasad sila and kinasad siya. So let's go. So niluting weather by and attempted ko himo og video karon accent. Anyway, money siya akong main video camera. I just bought this when it was so expensive. Until now, it's still expensive. This is my favorite camera. This is the FX3. Tara siya, FX3, and I have the Tamron 35 to 150. So this is my main camera. This goes out as my tripod camera. I tried to film earlier with the A7C2, but nagsige siya stop. I don't know what's going on. My tag okay na siya, or it should be just the SD card. But I'm gonna introduce you to my favorite main camera. So main camera, muna siya ang FX3, which is this camera here. So there it is. And the thing with the FX3 is I've really been babying it. I've been taking care of it. Ako siya gibutang cage. This is my favorite camera. This is one of my expensive video-centric camera that I purchased. In here also is the Tamron 35 to 150. So I got this also during after COVID time. So ni-hit kin siya then. So I got this right away. It's a very good purchase. It's just mainly stick with each other during my gigs video, and people are asking me why I don't use this for gimbal or my main camera. Kind of mag handheld ko, mag gimbal. I think because the cage, I feel like heavy siya, bugat siya, so I don't want to carry it, and I just want to baby this thing. I've used it without without the cage sometimes, but yeah, it's just too heavy. Without the cage, I'm scared nga magasgas na ko siya. Maybe if I have another one, I might just have that as my gimbal camera, but as of now, I just don't wanna risk it. I really love the camera. So muna siya, di na ko siya magamit as my main, as my gimbal all-around camera, because I want this to be on a tripod, safe, and less gasgas. Though happy di siya matumba kay one wedding ang murag kanang guest nga ni daga nagalit sa akong tripod, happy matumba, may ginagunit ko sa tripod, but other than that, yeah, this is my best gear, my best camera. So ang akong second nga gear is this A1. So A1 is more on a photo camera, mainly photographer man ko, so I just prefer things na hybrid yun siya. And I love this thing. This can do kanang 8K video. This can do everything that the A7S III can. Moreover, maka-zoom pag siya. You can do crop mode with this. The only thing is that ang ihang base ISO is 4,000 ang iyang top ISO compared sa A7S III, which is, or the FX3, which is around 12,800, but it's still good. You can still go there, and this is still a very good camera. Ang paris na ko niya is this one here. I just got this a few months back. This is Sigma 28 to 105. Taas siya range. It's a 2.8 lens. It's a very good lens. I was supposed to use this as my photo lens, pero ang iyang zooming bali magod. So malibog ko ba kasi Canon and Sony's. So mag-zoom ko that way, akong marasa malibog ko. So but this is still a good lens, so I'm just keeping this. I just got this pretty cheap. So yeah, it was in good condition. Gipalitan na nako siya og kaning neck collar kasi para video na siya. I just got it today, so it's very good. So that's my second year. So for weddings, ceremonies, or speeches, pares siya atong Tamron with 35-150 because side siya. So it can do wide, it can do zoom, yeah. Dua sila. Ang usa magkuhan sa reaction, ang usa magkuhan sa speech. So that's my second. So kani siya nga camera nako. This is my other maybe camera. This is A7C2. So this camera here is kanang nindot ni siya kasi I can do crop mode. I can do a lot of things, and it's very light. Problema na nako ni is when I'm shooting, sometimes it stops recording. Just recently, nag-video ko ganina, it just stopped recording. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's the card. It has one card slot, but I'm okay with it. The only thing is kung mag-shoot me 4K 50, 4K 60 mo crops, yeah. So a lot of the teams that I'm working with, they use 4K 50 kay palmo na sa Australia. So I can't rely on this, and this overheats also. So but this is very good for travel. It's light. It's good enough. It's good photo camera. So this ka magsakit kung mali mo maunsa. So this just goes to be my third or maybe fourth body, or maybe something like that. So yeah, that's the A7C2. So ang last na itong gamit is this one filming us. This is the A7 IV. I know you've seen videos, you've seen photos. I'm not gonna show you because nagbuang mo ng camera. I can't show you. I don't want to. I can't be bothered. And this camera here doesn't overheat. I've tried filming on this under the heat of the sun, 35 degrees under the sun. Usually other cameras will overheat. Akong A1 naga-overheat. This one didn't overheat, so it's very good. So people are asking me why I don't use the A1 as my main camera, and I just use this. The A1 is much better. Thing is, ang A1, it doesn't have the flip screen wherein I can vlog myself, film myself. The A1 also overheats. This one hasn't overheated. I've tried, but it hasn't overheated. So yeah, but the thing is, A1 is the best, like solid shutter all the way with flash, and for photo it's good. For video, this is gonna be my main camera. Although con 4K 50, 4K 60, it's capable, pero mag-less ang yang noise reduction. I don't mind. It looks good also. It's not really, something like that. And yeah, finally, this lens that's filming us right now, it's the famous 28 to 70 f2. I use this for filming. I use this for like handheld shots. Gigamitin ako siya gimbal, but it's too heavy. So I'm selective with using this. I mainly use this for photos. The thing is, kanisha, it's a very good lens, very expensive. Unfortunately, yeah, if mag-glide ko, it's just too heavy. If I'm going to do handheld, I don't want people to be bashing it or something. So it's one of the lenses that I mainly use for photos. It's a very good lens now. You can see the shallow depth of field. Grabe yung siya, hindi channel lens. But I'm selective with using this with people I work with. So if I think I need to be more creative and I don't need the weight, I don't use this. If I think the day is going to be like bashed or this is going to be bashed, I'm not going to use it. I use it only for special times where I'm feeling that I want to use a zoom lens na f2. So other than that, this lens I take care of a lot. Yeah, mainly photo siya. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So not sponsored with anyway with these cameras. I just get excited when I talk about gears and these cameras here. So not sponsored. I didn't script this one here. Just the lighting just good in the garage. But anyway, it was something to you.